So over here you can see that I have a video clip, and let's say what I want to do is I want to add in a color gradient. So to do that, over here under effects, I'm going to go around under gradients and fill, and over here you can see that color gradient is an option. So I'm just going to go around and click and drag it and keep the color gradient over here just like this. Once I do that, you get 2 points right here. You can go around and click and drag these out right here, and you can see that this is the color gradient right here just like this. Once you do that, you can go around and choose around the start color, which is black right here, or you can choose some other color as well, as you can see just like this. And you can go around over here and choose, let's say for example, a green right here, and this is what you have as well. So if I were to go around over here, you can also go around for radial color gradient right here just like this, and you get the radial option, or it can just be a linear color gradient. You can go around and change around the ramp scatter, as you can see right here, and change around the opacity of the color gradient as well. Apart from that, you can go around and add in no blend option, or you can go for normal blend option, or add right here, or color bump right here, and you can see that these are the different color gradient blending options right here, and you get different effects accordingly right here. Like you can go around onto screen, and you can go around onto, let's say, soft light, subtract right here just like this, and then lighten right here just like this, and this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can go around and work around with color gradient option inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.